there's a man in a world where colors come in only yellow or blue. But this world is about to change, a change of explosion of all the colors.
Enough. Can we get on?
Can I have a bit of fun? Finally, I've got a light that can change color, and you guys like.
Andrew, serious please.
Betty, cut!
You guys need to have more fun, more colors in life. Hey viewers, welcome to the full review of Pixel P80 RGB full color video LED light. A light that can give so much of colors. I wonder whether it's a good light. Is it good? Is it bad? Look, it even comes with a remote and I like it already. Alright, a quick tech spec about this light before we start. There's so much to learn here. First one, CRI above and equals to 97. Now, color rendering index, the CRI, tells you how accurate when a light gives out a color, which means that anything less than 85 rating may not be dependable. Anything that's above 85 is a light that is color correct. You don't need to worry about color correction. So this P80 RGB has a CRI index that is above 97. So whatever color that is emitting from this video light, you can take it with no need pinch of salt. Does that word even exist? Okay, in other words, I'm trying to say that the color is accurate. If there's any other color correction you need to do for anything that's higher than 85, that's your own camera. Or if you're bouncing off the wall, then the wall's paint color may not be accurate. So it's everybody's fault except that guy's fault. Got it? That's what CRI tells you. The P80 RGB has a color temperature range from yellow to blue of 2500 right up to 10,000 of Kelvin. It's a tremendous range, which means you can shift from yellow to blue, from this Kelvin to this Kelvin. And a magenta to green ratio of 100%, which means that it can shift from 100% from green to magenta, which means, in other words, it can give you a full range of color. So how does the P80 RGB light does this? Well, if you're really that stupid like me and want to tear open the light, you're going to see all these LED beads. It's made up of 190 warm LED lights, 190 pieces of cold LED lights, and a total of 162 RGB LED lights. That's how this light can give you this kaleidoscopic range of color. But I know what you're thinking. When a light gives you such an extensive range of colors, how bright is it? 4,811 lumens. That's really bright. You know, it's something that, can you turn it on full? It is so bright that you cannot stare at it with your, no, I can't. Can you, Sandip?
No.
You didn't even try. Look, haha, Sandip is blind. And before we go into the pros and cons of this product, it's 60 watt power consumption in a package that's only 1.65 kilogram. Let's start with the good points and bad points of the P80 RGB. Good point number one has always been evaluation of the build quality. I like this. It's sturdily built. Look at how it's housing and casing this aluminum heatsink body. And this brushed aluminum really gives it that good quality feel. And the button panels are housed intelligently at the back. I mean, you don't need to have a rocket science degree to know how to use it. You have just simple buttons like this. This brings it up, this brings it down. And an LED menu at the back really makes things simple and easy to understand. Well, I like anything that doesn't require you to read the menu. If there's anything like this, it's the button interface of the P80 RGB. Good point number two. Let me tell you my biggest peeve when it comes to light. Light that doesn't come with any attachment is not good to work with. And any light that has color, that emits color, are always great to cast color onto backgrounds or curtains or ambience. To do this, the best modifier is a bundle. The P80 RGB comes with a built-in bundle. You don't need to 3D print it. You don't need to go to Shopee to buy it. It comes with it. Kind of like getting yourself a car with a full tank of fuel. Or your EV fully charged. Bundles. And it's great because bundles can create streaks of light like this on the bare background and make the background looks interesting. Good point number three. It comes with a remote control. I know what you're thinking, that most light these days depend on you to put in an app on your phone. If I can put an app on my phone, why do I need a remote? How about this? You get both. You get to download an app into your Android or your smartphone or your iPhone, and you still get a remote. On the days that you run out of battery, this is going to be fabulous. Remote.
Doesn't work half the time.
What do you mean? It's working.
No, it's not.
It is. It's ambulance now. Yeah, fire truck. And a standard feature that you must have for a light that gives you so many colors. Yes. Those color effects. Hit me with it. Police sirens, ambulance light, fire truck. The list of lighting effect that you can do. 10 lighting effects. I can't even do that much of lighting effect as a lighter myself. The next good point. All great lights come with apps for your phone. But not all apps are great. Let's find out. So I'm heading on to my phone now to look for Pixel LCS. That's the name of the ad. And get, install, done, open. Oh, we like to connect to Bluetooth. It uses a Bluetooth connection. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth. That's done. Add devices. There you go. PAT found. Click on that. Done. Processing 1/1. Tuk, 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 ding. Great. All I need to do is just turn it on. Oh, I just turned it off. Turn it on. Dimming. Look at this. This is the Kelvin. So I just made it. Wow. Slide. Blue. Slide. Yellow. Oh, no, wait. There's so many things to do here. RGBW. Look at that. HSI. Oh, I don't even need to let go of my finger. And color gel. We can even have the Lee filter color gel option that we have. Click on this and I get the favorite L002 and L10. That's medium yellow. That's the intensity of the light. This is impressive. I get the whole collection of Lee filters without Mr. Lee himself being here. So, in conclusion, you have a choice of either you use the remote or the smartphone. This has to be the greatest good point. Check out the price. $199. What are you waiting for? A light that bright with so many features, with so many colors, and you have Bluetooth connection with your smartphone and you have a remote to play with it. This is a wonderful way to add color to your shoot. Just at $199. That stupid torchlight that I bought for my mountain bike costed more. Bad points time. This bad point, I cannot bring. You know, it's great that it comes with a bundle to allow us to create that streak of light on walls and also backdrops. But more often than not, we filmers like to tilt our light so that the light goes down. When the light goes down, they look more realistic because the sunlight comes down, the moonlight comes down, the starlight comes down, the street lamp comes down. So most of the light that we see comes down on us because they're higher than us. So most of the time to get realistic lighting, we tend to tilt our light. And whenever we tilt the light, kabang, the bundle gets in the way. Let me just quickly wrap my head around this and perhaps show you a solution to this. We may be doing this the wrong way. We may be putting in sugar into the coffee after the coffee is drunk. Here's my point. Remove this from the light stand of the swivel. Take this out. Now check this out. Instead of mounting it like this, you can actually mount it like so. Okay? See this? And that way, you can now tilt it to your heart's content. And the bundle works too. Right, so this is perhaps the right way to mount this. So maybe this is not a bad point after all, right? We just need to go to better lighting rigging school, isn't it, guys? So okay, I can accept this, that the light should be mounted on the light stand this way. Good. Next bad point. And I notice this happens time and again to all this modern LED light, not just Pixel, right? It's an industry bad point. Now the thing with all these modern LED lights they are slim and thin, Simply because the manufacturer removed the power, the AC to DC is a power brick now. The conversion is here. So great, I can live with that, that's fine. Now, when I raise the light up, and we normally do this, this is always, and any brand, isn't it, Yi Chong, Zero? All the new LED lights have this thing dangling mid-air. And that's not good. Because if somebody were to step on it, and then this will, see, on strike. You know what? We should 3D print a bracket here. But that won't work. Because if the 3D printed bracket is here, when I remove the light, it's going to go ka-tang. You know what I was thinking? That we don't exactly need the cable to be so long. I don't mind this being here, so we can actually like Velcro it here. Right? And then just get ourselves a power cord that's really, really, really long. It's an industry problem, not just a pixel problem. And I noticed that all our LED lights have this brick really sitting outside. Excellente! We have reached the point of this product review video where I give it the stars, the verdict time. Pixel P80 RGB, what do I think it is? A 5-star product. I say it is a 5-star product simply because it did an amazing shot for me for one of my commercial shoots. A beauty shot for Sothis Noctual. A beauty product capsule, and the client wanted all this capsule to fall into the Noctual bottle. And we were shooting high frame rate because we wanted to do this slow motion. And the shutter speed was really high, and all this slow-mo we didn't have enough of light. So this baby went on full power, and we put the product bottle on top like this. We just got it. At one point I thought that I have to do 3D rendering of this. Pixel P80, thank you. You pull it off. 5-star for you. Yi Chong, what is your verdict? How many stars?
5-star.
Why?
It's practically perfect.
Right. As long as you mount it this way, I can say it's practically perfect. Sandeep, how many
I
stars?
would also go with 5 stars.
Why?
Because of the features and the app specifically.
The apps, yeah, you can just do emblem. Oh, we don't need to argue anymore. It's a 5-star product. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, this is not a paid review. When a product can get 5-star in so many rounds, I salute you. But I know what you're thinking. With the light that gives you such a... I want to find out when a light that good... Patrick, sorry. 我有问题了吧？他跟我讲华语，我会讲华语，只是我不会读。Sandeep，你帮个忙可以吗？什么意思？拜拜。Yeah, Malaysian police do not work to your requirement.